The 2011 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, power steering, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, FWD, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, compass, trip computer, heated driver's seat, leather seats, tachometer, rear wiper, heated passenger seat, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.